How to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I have two accounts and two apps. The left one is my main account and the right one is the test account we're gonna block. Example, I'm gonna chat my main account a random message. And as you can see, I received them because I didn't block it yet. I will go to my main account and reply to. Next is I'll be blocking the test account. Here at the view contact and block. After I block it, let me use my test account and message again my main account. You will know the person if they block you. The message you sent is not delivered. You can see the check icon is only one. It means it's not delivered. He or she blocked you. Another way to know if they block you is you can make a group. Open your WhatsApp again. At the bottom right corner, you can see the message button. Just click it and choose new group. Here you can choose who your member is. Of course, I will add my main account. Once you created your group, you can go to your group info and you can see here it only shows two participants. You and the random guy I added. My main account is not visible because I got blocked. And that's how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.